In a divergent boundary, two plates are pulling apart. Under the two plates, convection currents are making the magma rise up. When the magma rises up on top of the two plates, the plates move further apart, creating new land. This is a divergent boundary. An example of this is the Mid-Atlantic Ridge. The Mid-Atlantic Ridge is an underwater mountain channel, and they cause the continents to travel further away from each other. In a transformative boundary, two plates are either sliding past each other or going in the same direction. Earthquakes happen a lot at these places. In California, the San Andreas Fault is the Pacific Plate pushing towards the Californian Plate. This is an example of a transformative boundary. In continental-continental collision, the two plates move together. They just keep pushing against each other and don't stop. This causes mountains to form. Earthquakes happen a lot at continental collisions. An example of continental-continental collision are the Himalaya Mountains. Continental-continental collision happens at convergent boundaries. In continental oceanic subduction, the two plates move together, but then one of the plates subduct under the other. The more dense plate sinks under the less dense plate. This causes mountains to form where the two plates were going together. An example of continental oceanic subduction are the Andes Mountains. Continental oceanic subduction is also a convergent boundary. In oceanic subduction, two oceanic plates move toward each other until the colder, older one or the more dense plate sinks below the less dense plate. Convection currents occur under these two plates. This took place in Japan, where the two oceanic plates moved together. The layers of the Earth include the inner core, outer core, mantle, and the crust. The inner core is 4,300 degrees Celsius and 1,200 kilometers thick. The outer core is 3,700 degrees Celsius and 2,300 kilometers thick. The mantle is 1,000 degrees Celsius and 2,900 kilometers thick. The crust is 0 degrees Celsius and the thickness is 35 to 70 kilometers in the continents, and the thickness is 5 to 10 kilometers in the ocean.